it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Pico's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab hashtag Sticker Saturday, and it is hosted by Crafting Rose. And in this collab, we share with you anything to do with stickers. We upload on Saturdays. You can share any projects that you created with stickers, as well as some sticker hauls. So I figured that I would start this video off with my subscription to Pipsticks. I did show you my subscription last month, and that was for the, I guess it's the adult classic one. This is the kids. I decided to subscribe both to them because there were coupons on the internet for 50% off of 3 months subscription, so I figured it was worth it to try. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue the subscription or if I'm going to downgrade it to a lower subscription. I'll figure that out. But yeah, I think that it's pretty cool. I did like the adult one, but honestly, I'm really loving the kids one. So after I'm done sharing that with you, then I'm going to craft with these stickers and show you what I created in my spring junk journal. So without further ado, let's get into it. They send you this cute little envelope, resealable bag. I love this. This would be awesome to use for storage or even for crafting. This is what the mailer looks like that they send you. It's a different color than last month, so I don't know if they change it every month. And of course, I have my junk journal right here. So at the end, I will share with you what I created with the stickers that I'm about to show you. Let's look at the stickers. They also have this adorable little insert that I'll show you at the end. So let me look at these stickers. They're super cute. I'm really loving them. So these are glittery. Look at all that sparkle. And these are perfect for spring, for what exactly I need right now. And these are obviously puffy stickers, you can tell. But that's really cool. Like, I love that. Like I said, I'm torn between the adult one and the kid one. I'm almost liking the kid one a little better. But we'll see what happens in the next couple months. This is the next sheet. Again, look how adorable. Absolutely perfect for my spring junk journal. Look at that metallic. It's so pretty. So these are definitely, they look like they have a lot of metallic on them. I believe it's 15 sheets that they send you. I think that's what they had said. Okay, these are really glittery. Let me see if I do it like this, if you can see what they are. Hold on. Oh yeah, so these are, I think they're little bunnies. Either little bunnies or mice, but they're super cute. Very metallic and sparkly. And so that's that sheet. And the next one, these, look how cute these little animals are. See, they're so adorable. I'm loving this. I hope that these are like this every month, because honestly, I might keep the full subscription for the kids one. I'm really liking it. And here are some more, very metallic sparkly stickers. These are flowers. Like, look at that cute cat right there. I'm wondering if I put it like this, if you can see it better. Looks like you can see them a little better. I'm gonna hold these up like this, so that way you can hopefully see them a little better. They're just absolutely beautiful. And we'll do that with the bunnies too, just in case you didn't get a good look at them. Like I said, they could be mice, but either way, adorable. So next, we do have some bunnies right here. Look how cute. I love that. I love that they look like they're from the 50s or 60s. It's adorable. Now, this is like almost like washi tape stickers. It's perfect to line journals. So that's what I'm going to be using this for, to line my pages. These super cute ones too. I have tons and tons of ideas for using these. I can't wait to actually get into my journal and start creating with them. See, a couple more pages. See, they give you a ton of stuff. These adorable little bunnies. Then we have some little chicks. Don't see, yeah, they're like little chicks or ducks even. I think these are ducks. Yeah. Yeah, these are definitely ducks. Really cute. And then here's another really glittery one. some mushrooms. And we have these, which are really cute. They look like little chalk, little hopscotch and stuff. These are awesome. Scratch and sniff, and they do smell exactly like honey. And then they gave us some beautiful butterflies. And it comes with a postcard. So that's the postcard that they sent. I'm not going to send it. I'm going to keep it and put it in my journal. And then this is a little insert. It's really, really cute. Obviously, perfect for children. Perfect for my son. So we have that. And then even on the back, you can match the stickers. But I'm going to show you the inside. The inside is really cute. So the inside is like a coloring sheet. So how cool is that? So this subscription is $17.95. But like I said, I had a 50% off coupon, which is why I went ahead and did it. I believe the smaller, I can't remember honestly the price of the smaller one. It's either $12.95 or I think it's, I honestly can't remember the price of the smaller subscription, but pretty good deal with the 50% off, I think, because it came to like 8 something. But now comes the time where I'm going to stop the camera. I am going to go ahead and get into this journal right here, use these stickers, and I'll show you what I created. Okay guys, so I went through all the stickers that I just showed you, and I came up with I designed a couple of different spreads. I think they're super, super cute actually. So I used, this is the cardstock paper right here. It's scrapbook paper. I got it from a paper pack at Michael's. And then this is paper that I got from Temu. I thought that they went really, really cute together. And I just wanted to set up a really adorable spring scene. So I used the butterfly stickers, and then there was a sheet of the frogs, as well as these adorable puffy stickers here. So that's the first one. Oh yeah, and then I got that sheet of the little bunnies, so I added a few of them. I added this little gardening one, which came from this pack here with these guys. They're so super adorable. So over here I kind of just did like a gardening scene. I'm really loving the stickers that I got in the kids pack. I mean, I like the ones I got in the adult pack too, but for what I was looking to do, that's just perfect. These ones are so glittery and sparkly. I'm trying to get it so that you can actually see it. So cute. So there's the first one. Then I went ahead and I did a second spread. So here, as you can see, I used those glittery holographic stickers. If we put it like this, maybe we can see. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can see that there's little cat in a planter, and then there's these adorable little mice. There's another cat right there. I absolutely love that one. So I thought that was a really cool scene. It's hard because the stickers are so glittery and so gorgeous. It's hard to get them the right way on the light, but I think that this is probably a pretty good representation of it. Even the flowers are so metallic and sparkly. They're beautiful. So that's the first page. So that's the first page of the second spread. And then this one, I decided to go ahead and just leave the paper blank. And you can see the ducks. Those are definitely ducks right there. So you can see that. I think they're so cute. I love the mushroom. And then this right here is the washi tape one. The one that, this right here is for that, from the strip that looks like washi tape. So I just lined the page here and lined the page here. So those are the 2 spreads that I created with my stickers that I got from this month's Pip Sticks. And that was the children's pack. Super, super adorable. I hope that you guys like what I made for Sticker Saturday for this week's video. Please go ahead and put in that hashtag Sticker Saturday, watch everyone's videos and show them some love, as well as Crafting Rose's channel. Go to her channel and watch her Sticker Saturday video as well. And please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one.